Biology Insert Summary. Chapter 1. The Living World. The living world is rich in variety. Millions of plants and animals have been identified and described, but all the number is still remains unknown. The very range of organism, in terms of size, color, habitat, physiological and morphological features make us seek the defining characteristic of living organism. In order to facilitate the study of kinds and diversity of organisms, biologists have evolved certain rules and principles for identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. The branch of knowledge dealing with these aspects is referred to as taxonomy. The taxonomy studies of various species of plants and animals are useful in agriculture, forestry, industry, and in general for knowing our bioresources and their diversity. The basics of taxonomy, like identification, naming, and classification of organisms, are universally evolved under international codes. Based on the resemblances and distinct differences, each organism is identified and assigned a correct scientific biological name, conferencing towards as per the binomial system of nomenclature. An organism occupies a place position in the system of classification. There are many categories, ranks, and are generally referred to as taxonomy, categorize, or taxa. All the categories constitute a taxonomy hierarchy. Taxonomic have developed a variety of taxonomic aids to facilitate identification, naming, and classification of organism. These studies are carried out from the actual specimens, which are collected from the field and preserved as referrals in the form of herbaria museums and in botanical garden and zoological parks. It requires special techniques for collection and preservation of specimens. In herbaria and museums, live specimen, on the other hand, of plants and animals are found in the botanical gardens or in zoological parks. Taxonomists also prepare and disseminate information through manuals and monographs. Further taxonomic studies. Taxonomic keys are tools that help in identification based on characteristics